Hey everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I created this claw machine shaker using epoxy resin. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get started. I'm actually going to start off with a small amount of UV resin in a silicone cup, add a few drops of pink pastel pigment dye, and mix it all up. Then I'm going to apply the pink UV resin to the heart, the 3 small circle buttons, the claw, and the nozzle on the mold. Once complete, put it under the UV light to let that cure. Next, we're going to mix up our epoxy resin based on package instructions. I'm using a 1:1 ratio resin and will be using 2 separate cups to measure each part and then pour them both into another cup to mix it together. Make sure you keep mixing the resin until the cloudiness disappears and then let it sit for a bit for the bubbles to pop. Then we're going to pour some resin into another cup and add a few drops of blue pastel pigment dye and mix that up. Once the blue resin is mixed, start pouring it into the shaker mold. Because I didn't have enough blue resin, I had to make up some more, but this time I decided to use an aqua pastel pigment color instead. After we've finished pouring the resin, we're going to leave it for 24 to 48 hours so the resin can cure. Once it's cured, we can carefully take the shaker out of the mold. Next, we're going to start adding the fillers to our shaker. I'm using sprinkles, some sequined stars and hearts, and my Shrinky Dink 90s roller skates. After that, we're going to add some UV resin around the edges of the shaker and place a transparent seal on top. Put it under the UV light to cure so the seal is glued on. Next step is to add some water and glue into a cup and mix it well. Use a craft syringe to suck up some of that mixture. Then inject it into your shaker and get it as close as you can to the top without it leaking out. Next, we're going to add some UV resin to the little hole and put it under the UV light so that it cures and seals it up. Lastly, we're going to add a layer of UV resin on top to give it a nice shine and doming effect. Don't forget to put it under the UV light to cure. And there you have it, our claw machine shaker is now complete. Thank you so much for watching, hope you enjoyed that video and I'll see you next time. Bye!